this is Angel from AirCorp. In this video, I will explain you everything you need to know about setting up your company in Hong Kong. As usual, I will try to keep this video as simple as possible. Now, let's get into it. Why register your company in Hong Kong? Well, it is pretty easy. Hong Kong is probably the best place to register your company for the following reasons. Number one, it is very easy to register a company there. After preparing the application documents, it only takes a few hours for a company to be incorporated. Number two, you don't even need to travel to Hong Kong. The whole process can be done online. 3, the tax system is very attractive. There's no VAT, no sales tax, no tax on dividends, no tax on capital gains, and if your business is outside of Hong Kong, 0% corporate tax. And even if your business is in Hong Kong, the corporate tax rate is very business friendly. Number 4, there's no foreign exchange control in Hong Kong. Once you have a bank account, you can make and receive payments all over the world in multiple currencies. And then finally, Hong Kong has a very well established and reliable common law system based on English law. For all these reasons, Hong Kong is the right place to set up your business. Now, let's look at how to set up your business. Let's start with what you need to do pre-registration. Number 1, shareholders and directors. You need to decide on who will be the shareholders and the directors of your company. They can be individual or companies. There's no restriction on nationality or residence. That means you can set up your business in Hong Kong even if you are not residing in Hong Kong. And most importantly, you do not need to have a local director. This is a big difference with Singapore, where you need to have a local nominee director, which is an expensive service. Number 2, company type. There are different types of entities in Hong Kong. Limited companies, sole proprietorships, partnerships. Here, no need to make it complicated. 99.9% of our clients go for the regular limited liability company, and this is basically what you should go. The limited company ensures that you are not personally liable for the debts of your business. 3, company name. You need to come up with a name proposal. It can be in English, in traditional Chinese, or you can use both. It is easy. When you on board with us, we will just check if the name that you want is available. Number 4, share capital. Your company needs to have a share capital. Here again, you have a maximum freedom. You can start your company with little as $1 Hong Kong dollar, and you can decide to have your share capital in pretty much any major currency. 5, company secretary. This is the person in charge of making sure that your company stays in good standing by reminding you about official deadlines and acting as point of contact of your company with the local administrations. If you register your business with us at AirCorp, we are acting as your company secretary. And finally, registered address. All companies in Hong Kong need to have a registered address. Here again, our company registration service includes providing your company with an address. We receive, scan, and send you any courier received by your company. Once everything that we just discussed is set out, we prepare and file the relevant forms with the company's registry in Hong Kong. And within a few hours, boom, your company is created. You receive a certificate of incorporation, a business registration certificate, and you are good to go. And after your company is registered, you need a bank account. Otherwise, what's the point, right? So now you basically have 3 options. Number 1, you can go with a traditional bank like HSBC, DBS, or Citibank. Let's be clear here. Opening an account with a traditional bank takes time, like at least 1 month, and you need to come to Hong Kong. So what we usually tell our clients that if you live in Hong Kong, traditional banks can be a good option. But if you live outside of Hong Kong, traditional banks can be only an option if you already have an established business and you are ready to travel to Hong Kong to your account. The second option is to go for a digital bank like Air Wallets or Aspire. They offer multi-currency accounts in 11 currencies, foreign exchange, Visa or Master debit cards, and local accounts in many countries. Their account opening process is done purely online, meaning that you don't need to come to Hong Kong, and it only takes a few days, and also importantly, they're friendly to new business. The third option is a payment gateway or e-commerce account for online sellers. We can help your company open an account with a PayPal, Payoneer, Stripe, and the other players. And in all, this means that depending on your banking needs, we will help you to get the right type of account for your business. At Air Corporate, we are full service, and of course, we will help with your accounting, audit, and tax. Basically, here is what you need to know. Number one, companies in Hong Kong need to do accounting. The first accounting year of your company should close to later than 18 months from its incorporation date. And after that, your accounting year will be 12 months. Number two, the accounts of your company needs to be certified by a chartered public accountant at the end of each financial year. And number three, your company needs to file each year a profit tax return with the Hong Kong tax authorities. This is applicable for all companies registered in Hong Kong, no matter if you do business locally or offshore only. There are two ways we can assist you with all this. Either we do your accounting on a monthly basis, which is what we recommend if you make more than 20 payments each month, or we just wait until the end of the year and prepare everything at once. In any case, this is not something that you need to decide and commit from day one. We recommend that you start your business and see how it goes, and then we discuss this topic after a few months. Now, in terms of tax, there are basically two options. If your company has absolutely no business or employees in Hong Kong, then it's not subject to tax in Hong Kong. This is what we call the offshore profit tax exemption. On the contrary, if your company does business in Hong Kong, it will be subject to profit tax. The rates are still very competitive. For profits until $2 million, the tax is 8.25%, and after that, 16.5%. But of course, you can deduct all your business expenses, meaning that the effective tax rate is usually very low. Obviously, many companies are interested in the zero tax, and this is something that we will discuss with you on a case-by-case basis to check whether you can qualify for it. The last part that you need to consider when registering in Hong Kong is the ongoing legal maintenance. Here again, Hong Kong makes things very, very easy. Number one, your company needs to renew its business registration certificate. Nothing much to say here. The process is super easy and we handle it for you. Number two, you need to file an annual return known as Form NAR1 with the company's registry. This form is pretty much a snapshot of your company's details, such as the anniversary date. It needs to include details about the share capital, directors, shareholders, and the company secretary of your company. Here again, we take care of preparing and filing this form for you. So as you can see, opening and maintaining your Hong Kong company is really easy compared to many countries. Actually, we're very proud of its efficiency. This is pretty much all you need to know about registering your Hong Kong company. And as usual, please subscribe and reach out for any questions, or if you wanted to appoint us as your company secretary. Till next time, stay tuned.